Well, guys, I did it. I kind of did it. I think I just joined the Square Buddy Club. I don't know. Now I need a beard and a trucker cap and I don't know, chewing tobacco, I guess. Well, let's take a better look at it, shall we? Well, there should be Big Ugly. Although I'm not impressed, somebody broke the back window. That wasn't like that before. I don't know what kid did that. So, that's not very nice. As well, somebody, not that it matters, somebody kicked this over. So, extra damage. All from the auction house. Other than that, this box side isn't that bad. You know, things are there. That's okay. These doors aren't rusted through yet. So somebody's going to be able to fix those, no problem. Although it is getting really soft right there. The rest of it seems okay. The mirrors are still here. Nobody broke the windows here, at least. Front axle's busted, but might be able to do something with that. Serious, man, what the heck? Anyway, so fender is screwed, hood is screwed, grill's still there, pretty much. Front bumper. What else? This fender's not too bad. Again, broken axle. These are still on. This door's still pretty good too. A lot more solid than the underside. What else we got? Oh yeah, this whole box side. This whole box side's nice. The only nice part of the truck, besides the inside here. The inside is pretty decent. That's kind of why I bought it. I bought it just for the box. Didn't spend a lot of money, but I bought it just for the box, so I can use it on that truck. So, oh yeah, she got dual tanks. Good rear diff. Yeah. Bumper's good. Tail lights look fine. Not broken or nothing. Not even cracked. Faded, but whatever. Tailgate's screwed. All GM product though. Now, interior's still together. My column shift. Everything's still here. Still smells terrible. But yeah, I don't know who did that, but or what they threw through the window. It would be nice to know as well. Oh, I'll close that. Oh. But yeah, it opens and closes nice. That's decent. Got the cab lights on her. No engine, no transmission. But the transfer case is there. The drive shafts are there. Like I said, the front bumper's, you know, doable. So yeah, all in all, she's not a terrible ride. Somebody wanted it for something. You know, I'm almost wondering if somebody actually shot it. I'll have to look to see if that's from the inside. 'Cause, you know, country, right? Nope. Okay. But yeah, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this truck yet. I mean, somebody really wanted to offer me something for it, they could. Don't ask me what. They'd have to pay me more than I paid for it, but including the toll bill. So yeah, there she be in all her glory. Jack her up, I guess, and do something about that front diff. Yeah, she's a little screwed. Front suspension shot too by the looks of things. So I'll probably just jack it up and see what I can do there. Yeah. All right, back on this beautiful GMC. I jacked her up. Now that all propped up. Took the pressure off. Now she's somewhat lined up. It's looking a lot better. Kind of looking a lot like when I bought it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line that up the rest of the way. Kind of put it in place. And I'm going to ratchet strap it so it doesn't fall out again for a little while. See, the drag link is just bent. Bent right out of whack. So we're gonna do that, like I said, and ratchet strap it or something here and keep her up. Or maybe I'll just do some straps up on top so it doesn't fall. That'd be all right too. I don't know, we'll see. She's ugly. I like it. There we go. Put a bar across, hung a strap down below. Yeah, even a firewall is pretty good shape. And I came down here and I got a strap going right across. We're gonna relieve the pressure and see what happens. Take this off, haul this out. Maybe I'll just leave it in there for now. I don't know, we'll see. I'm hoping that's going to be enough to hold it up there. Enough for me to move it around at least, the yard here at least. So we'll find out right away. And we are somewhat holding. Still tending to go straight down, but it might hold enough. If I have to, I'll jack her up again and move it around the yard. But for now, this is good. Better than it was. Just because the dang thing's screwed anyways. I'll leave it like this for now. And I'll get it closer to the shop later. Jack it up, get it in place. And then I'll just weld the hell out of it just to keep it together. It's not like it's going to go anywhere or do anything extraordinary anyways. Not like it's going to be on the road, and well, it'd be good enough. Now apparently these front diffs are fairly easy to fix, so we shall see what we do here. Other than that, because of that, the suspension, as you can see here, I'll blow it up. Suspension's a little screwed. She's all twisted to hell. So, yeah. So we'll see what we're going to do with this thing. I might just offload it. Not sure. Anyways, that's it for now. Sun's going down. I got things to do still.